In this workshop, we are going to talk about core stability. Now, first question, what is the core? Your core is a series of muscles that runs around your midsection. Specifically, you can think of it like a barrel. So the barrel has walls to the side, it has a lid, and it has a base. The walls are the muscles around the sides of your midsection. Specifically, your transverse abdominis, internal and external obliques, and your rectus abdominis, as well as your multifidi. At the base, you have your pelvic floor, and the lid, the roof, that is your diaphragm. So when talking about the core, it is all of these muscles around the middle. Now their job is to stabilize the midsection. Stabilizing means to eliminate any unnecessary movement, specifically in your lumbar spine. Your lumbar spine is this segment. Really, you can just refer to it as your lower back. Now your lower back has the ability to flex, extend, flex laterally, as well as rotate. What tends to happen though is we tend to use this area too much to move. Yes, it can move, but if we're using it all the time to move, this limits movement in the hips and also in the upper back. These areas start to become tight. So core stability, what we're trying to do is limit movement in the midsection so we can create more movement in the hips and the upper back. Not only that, it's going to be great for the health and integrity of your lower back and spine in general. Plus, it will also cross over to your athletic endeavors or you just moving throughout the day, picking up your children, carrying groceries, etc. The stronger and more in tune your brain is with your midsection, the better off you're going to be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a couple of basic exercises for you to start to understand how core stability works. The first exercise is going to be a bird dog. So I'm going to come down onto the ground, onto all fours to demonstrate. So you're on all fours in this position. Hands directly below your shoulders, knees directly below your hips. You want your spine in a nice neutral position. Now imagine that you're balancing a glass of water on your lower back and you do not want that water to spill. All you're going to do here is exhale as you lift your opposite arm and leg. Coming back to center, smooth transition to the other side. The goal being that you're able to maintain that glass of water on your lower back. It's the job of the core to eliminate any unnecessary movement in the middle. Think of the hand and the knee or foot that is on the ground. You're connecting the core through those points. Smooth transition to the other side. Remember, exhale as you move. And down. That bird dog exercise is going to be a great exercise to just train your brain to start to understand this concept of core stability. To bring it up a little bit more, we're going to move into the dead bug. I'm going to come down on the ground and show you. So on the ground, all you're going to do, you're going to clasp your hands in front of you. You're going to lift your legs, and I want you to again exhale as you extend one leg at a time. Inhale, come back. Exhale, same on the other side. Again, the idea is this midsection is not moving. In all likelihood, your lower back will want to hyperextend and really lift up. It's the core's job to maintain that nice neutral position of your lower back. So focus on the musculature of the middle, specifically in the front, when you're doing this exercise. And try and maintain that stability we've talked about. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. It's important to make sure that your lower back does not hyperextend when you're performing this exercise. So again, remember, core stability, we want to eliminate any of that movement through here. So focus on the muscle in the front of the abdomen in order to maintain that nice neutral position while you're performing this exercise. That was your introduction to core stability. Remember, you can apply this to everything you do, including all of the strength foundations practice. Enjoy.